Alright, so this is going to be an update on the homemade motorized scooter that I was building, or I still am building, but it's pretty much come to a halt. It came to a halt because I just pretty much lost interest, but I have been looking at a motor, and I think that if I do come into a little bit of extra money, I think I'm just going to bite the bullet and buy it. I did get the throttle hooked up, which the throttle is actually a gear selector from a mountain bike. So yeah, everything's still pretty much the same. I had an idea of just somehow putting or screwing these little things on here, or one here, just to make it look a little bit cooler. But yeah, everything's still there, and I haven't forgotten about the project. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.